Hello friends, let's make very simple but very tasty chicken leg piece biryani. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our rice and then boil them. So while our rice are getting boiled, let's start the step number 2, and for this we need some cooking oil and some onion and a bay leaf. Fry a little bit and then add turmeric powder and some ginger and garlic paste, some salt to taste, some red chili powder, and also add some garam masala. Now let's add our chicken leg piece, some lemon or lime juice, and also add half cup of yogurt. Mix very well and then cook for 10 minutes on a low medium heat. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.